Hi there! In this short tutorial, you are going to learn how to combine and merge many separate PDF files in 2 minutes. I have here 2 separate PDF files. Both contains only one page, but it doesn't matter how many pages in it. So let's combine these 2 files. Search on Google, combine PDF, and visit the first site. And here, drag and drop or just upload your PDF files. Having uploaded before you combining, you can reorder them as you want. After that, press combine button and it's ready. Here is our combined PDF file. Very easy, isn't it? Alternatively, you can do it with another site. It's also very easy. Just follow the steps.